Hey there. So today we'll solve one of the problem on LeetCode, range sum of BST. So you'll be given a binary tree and you need to find the range sum. So for example, if this is the binary tree which is given, you need to find the sum of all the nodes which fall between this low and high range. So in this example, you can see for 7 and 15, low and high range, you will sum 10, 7 plus 15. 5 will be ignored because it doesn't fall between the range of low and high. Okay, so let's solve this problem. To solve this problem, I'll use a variable sum, and at the end I'll return this sum variable. Now to do this, I'll use the recursion approach, and first of all, let's check the sanity. So if root is equal to null, then you just need to return 0, or if root dot val is less than 1, then return 0. Okay, now we need to find the values, sum the values only between this low and high range. So we will add a if condition. If root dot val is greater than low and root dot val is less than high, then sum equal to sum plus root dot val, right? Now and we need to do this for each of these nodes, so left hand side and right hand side of the tree. So I'll use this will get iterated. I'll check, let's again check the sanity. If root dot left is not equal to null, then only I'll iterate, go to the left side, and then low will remain low and high it accepts 2 parameters, this method. And same I will do for right hand side as well. Yep, and I think that should work. So for both left hand side and right hand side, I'll check. The answer is wrong. Here it's coming, yeah, and I need to sum low plus high as well. So I need to sum all the nodes falling between low and high. Yep, so it's successful. It is faster than 54% of the Java online submissions. Okay, so I hope this you understood this problem, and this is clear to you, where we have been given a root node to start with, and a binary tree, full binary tree, and the range is low and high is also fall between is also one of the nodes. So that's why we need to add low and high plus all the nodes that fall between them. Similarly, in case of second example, you can see that between low and high range of 6 and 10, 7 falls, 5 doesn't fall, so we will add 6 plus 7 plus 10 equal to 23. So that's all from today's video. If you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we have solved many LeetCode problems, so if just go to the playlist of LeetCode problem